Welcome back again to our channel. So today's video, it's raining afternoon. So I show you guys outside. Just a minute. Hi guys, so ipapakita ko sa inyo yung maulan sa labas guys. So, grabe. Grabe. So just 1 minute guys, I show you. Charan! Tingnan yung screen namin guys. Yung screen na, di ba maulan siya? Maulan. So, ayan guys, maulan sa labas. Nakita nyo yung crystal namin is basang-basa. Tumutulo pa yung ulan. As you can see there. So, maulan, grabe. So, hindi tayo makapag-walking outside guys because it's bad weather. It's raining outside. So, it's dark outside. So, I prepare to stay home and study my lesson. You see that one guys. And I prepare myself to talk with my husband. And you can see there is a leaves. There's a tricycle there. There is a leaf. So I put out the flowers because it's raining. So it's better because, you know, they are happy now because it's raining. So that's why I put it out. So, you know, it's mainit sobra guys. Sobra ding nakakaawa yung mga flower na yan. I mean, I think it's not a flower. That's a medicine plant. That's called, what do you call that? Ano ba yan? Langkawas ba yung tawag doon? Parang langkawas, it's talk about like turmeric something. Like, yes, turmeric. Yes, turmeric siya guys sa English. And then, I have this is one flower. What's to call that? I don't know what's the name, but I forgot. So, I show you outside guys. I'm outside guys. Yeah. I close the door because you know the lice go inside, you know. And then this is the flower here. As you can see, it's wet. And so look at the skies. It's raining. It's raining. So guys, that's the other one flower. I forget the name. So I put in my screen. So what is that? The name of that flower I put in my screen. I forgot. Algae. That's something like. So that's my flowers inside the house. See, they are happy now. It looks green because you know that it's rain. So I'll go now inside the house. Ayan, it's raining. I can go for a walk for a while. So I go inside. So I stay here for a while but it's too early, around 3 in the afternoon. And then we will wait if there's no rain, and then I will later. So just of now, this is the weather. It's still raining. As you can see the crystal here. It's raining. So just I prepared. Ayan. So just I wanna sit here. Darling, I make some vlog. So better I stay here for a while because it's raining. But early in the morning, I think it's around 6 in the morning when I woke up in the morning. It's a good weather. It's sunshine outside. It looks like it's nice. The sunshine outside. There is no rain and the sky was so good. But around 11 or 12, something like, it looks dull outside. And here I am now. It's raining outside, so it's warm. I feel warm. So even it's raining outside, I feel warm. I don't know why. I did not put out here my electric fan because I'm using that every day, the electric fan, you know, because I save for the electricity. You know, here in the Philippines, it's very expensive when it comes to electricity, guys. So, yes, I prepare to use that every morning, afternoon, but in the evening when I don't sleep, I use the AC or the aircon, guys. So this is our vlog for today. Just I show you guys because there is a bad weather. Just it's raining outside. Just I prepare to stay home talking with my husband. And then later I'll make my do chores here. Just I clean the house. Just a bit. I clean the house because I did not clean this morning because I go out. I went to the bank, something like I have an important. So just already done also. And I need to clean my dirty clothes a bit, just 1 or 2, and then because I don't want to stay my dirty clothes is stay there so much better. I prepare to clean because next week's I mean I'm going, so I'm not staying here for a while in 1 week. Then after that I'll be back on September. First week on September, so I will back. So I miss my room, I miss my house here. So that's it, just nothing, just I go for important matter, guys. So today I'll just clean a bit, and then after that I, you know, if the weather is, I mean if it is the rainy, it stops, so I'll go for walk, I go for exercise, and then after that I go again for a bit shower, and then I prepare for my dinner, and that's it, guys. So darling, you want to see in the camera? You want to say hi? Darling, you want to say hi? Darling, you want to say hi here?
Enjoy your day, everybody. Enjoy your day. Hope you don't have a wonderful day.
This is on the camera, guys. This is on the other side. Just this is our daily routine. We're talking while we are on bed, you know, 24/7 in the cameras, guys. As long as the internet is good connections, that's we are stay. But if the connection is poor, so that's the problem. So it will be lost connections. If he is sleeping and then he can't call me, or sometimes I sleep well and then he call me if the connection is lost, so I cannot hear because I sleep the time. So that's our daily routine, guys. So it's really warm. You see my perspiration, it's terrible. Yeah. It's warm. So I a bit to show there because I going to the service area. I think it's wet there because, you know, it's heavy rain. That's heavy rain, guys. So I show you a bit there, just a bit scattered. Just I'm not yet to fix them, but I'll gotta show you some. Hi guys, this is the service area. Look where I wash my a bit dirty clothes there. So a bit there scattered. Not alright. So this it's wet, guys, because this is the open screen. The rain is come inside if the heavy rain, but it's not heavy rain, it's not go inside here. So for a while it's because heavy rain, so it's wet. The rain is go inside here, so it's wet. So later I'm gonna show you guys, but I show you now. This is the service area. Yeah, you've been here before. I washed there before if you watch my recently vlog, guys. So I will clean this later, and then after that I think that's why I own the light. Now it's wet, as you can see there. So I clean this later if the rain will stop. And then you see the wire, that's the TV's antenna. Yeah. So just I put it there because sometimes I put it up so the connection it's not good. So for now, just stay here inside the house because it's raining. It's not good. So stay here and talk to my boss, you know. So bye-bye for a while, guys. I'll keep this vlog close. So the house. So my baby is not here. My baby Kitty, it's on the vacation right now. So this is it. The window, the other one window here. So that's the color of my curtain. I put it there. It's black. That's why. The other side is there too. Alright. This is my sala. That's one you can see is the cut sign. When my baby kitten is poop, I put it that. So this is the water flow for the kitten. And that's the food. That's only leftover for the kitten. So I need to clean for a while, and then I have still a bit 4 pieces of coconut, guys, not yet finished. Alright? So ito lang yung vlog natin for today. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. See you our next vlog. Bye! Hi guys! Andito na yung baby namin. Came from vacation. Hello everybody! Say hi to them, baby. Hi! He's playing his toys, guys. Say hi. Hi! Say hi. Ay! 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 He don't like the camera as well. Wow! Wow! Behave! Say hi to them, baby. Hi! Say hi! Hi! My baby Salim! Daddy's woke up now. So guys, ito ng baby namin galing vacation. So kumain na siya, guys. So actually dumating siya on, I think, Tuesday. Okay. Ang init ng ano mo, baby. Salim's favorite toy. Salim's favorite toy. Wait. Kiss. Good boy. Kiss. Kiss. Kiss pang. Kiss. Yung gusto mag-kiss ng baby na, oh. Baby na, oy. Baby na Salim. Ito. Hold it. Hold your two hands. Very good. Hold it. Baby. Bye-bye.